Hi, and welcome back to Holistic Developer. I'm Anna, and nice to meet you. If you are new here, I'm super excited to welcome you to this channel, a channel where you'll find information about software engineering, career in tech, and everything related to tech, even lifestyle of a person who works in the tech industry and all that stuff. So welcome. The topic of today's video is why should you attend a technical bootcamp in 2020? And we all know that we live in a world where productivity is in high demand. Everybody is looking for the most productive people. We are short on time. We have to accomplish more and more in shorter time. And yeah, everything we do is accelerated and extremely fast paced. Therefore, we need to be able to adapt to change in a fast manner as soon as possible. And a matter of fact, tech changes every single day, even probably even faster. There are always emerging new designs, new programming languages, new technologies, and so on. And if you want to be in tech or to enter in the tech industry, you have to do that in a fast pace. Therefore, there is a need for a fast and effective way of gathering and acquiring those skills. In that case, a bootcamp is an excellent choice. So if you are not aware what a bootcamp is an accelerated program that will teach you the skills that you need to acquire to enter and stay relevant in the tech industry. So that's kind of in a nutshell. Here are top 3 reasons that I believe you should attend a technical bootcamp. The very first one is that you want to do a professional reboot. You might find that you are in a dead-end job, that your career got to a halt, and you are looking for ways to get out of that situation. You're looking of ways to how fast and effectively to increase your professional appeal. In that case, a bootcamp is a great approach, a great resource to do that. Number 2 will be to level up. And what do I mean with level up is that you might be already in tech and you love the industry you love tech. However, what you learned, let's say if you are like me and you graduate, let's say 10 years ago, maybe 15, who knows? If you graduated a while, the technology changes really fast. So you might need to level up, to refresh your skills, to get up to speed. Maybe when you were at university, you learned one programming language and now in demand is another language. So a technical bootcamp is the way to go if you need to level up and to keep up with the job demand that is currently in the market, the skills that are currently in demand for the tech industry. Finally, the third reason is that you are at a crossroads, that you might be working in a job that you enjoy, but you are still looking for a change. You want something more engaging, something that will get you excited to get out of bed. Maybe the job that you have right now doesn't excite you to do it for the next 5 years, 10 years, or forever. So you want to get a job that will keep you motivated and happy for the longest time possible. So in this case, a bootcamp is an excellent choice as well. So it gives you a way to learn and acquire the skills if you want to enter a technical field. So just attending a bootcamp, you might spend, let's say, somewhere from 3 months to 7 months to acquire the skills that you need to enter in the tech industry. Here you go. There are the 3 reasons that you should attend a technical bootcamp in 2020. You are either in the situation where you need a professional reboot, you're not happy with your job, and you're looking for a way out. Second one, you need to level up in your career. That's another option. And finally, the third one is that you are at crossroads, you like what you're doing, but you don't see yourself doing that for a very long time. And here's an option for you to switch jobs, switch your career into tech in just a matter of a few months. Hopefully you found this useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to hit that red button below, subscribe at the same time. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the next videos that will come up, that will be on similar topics about tech and what else is happening in the tech industry and so on. So talk to you next time. Happy engineering. Bye.